It looks like a relic from a forgotten time, yet it holds stories, freedom, and the magic of the open road. Imagine cruising through winding country lanes or coastal cliffs with the wind on your face, your tiny home rolling right behind you. That's the vintage Trike camper. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, part nostalgia, part rebellion, and a whole lot of adventure. You're not looking at a modern luxury RV packed with tech. No, this is something far more soulful. The vintage Trike camper takes you back to a time when life moved slower, when journeys were about discovery, not deadlines. Built around simplicity and smart use of space, it might surprise you how much comfort is packed into such a compact form. Let's talk about the Trike itself. Usually built on a retro-style three-wheeler chassis, with chrome accents and that deep growl of a small engine, it's a head-turner. But here's the twist, it's hauling a microcamper that looks like something out of a 70s magazine ad. Rounded curves, wood-paneled sides, maybe even a miniature awning. It's cozy, quirky, and full of character. Step inside, and you'll forget you're standing in something that's being pulled by a trike. There's usually enough space for 1 or 2 people to sleep, a tiny kitchenette, and clever compartments for storage. Think fold-down tables, under-seat cabinets, and multi-use furniture. The charm isn't in luxury, it's in the cleverness of design. You get everything you need and nothing you don't. And if you're thinking, but why would anyone choose this over a big motorhome or SUV camper? Well, you've just uncovered the secret. It's about minimalism. It's about breaking away from the clutter and chaos of everyday life. This camper isn't for everyone. It's for the dreamers, the artists, the storytellers, the ones who want to live life with the windows down and the map torn in half. What makes it even more powerful is that it speaks to a deeper issue: homelessness and the rising cost of living. For some, this isn't just a weekend escape, it's survival with dignity. A vintage Trike camper can become a full-time shelter, a home on wheels that offers safety, freedom, and the ability to move where the opportunity is. It's a quiet protest against a system that keeps pushing people to the margins. But it's not all gloom. In fact, many people are choosing this lifestyle by choice. Vintage Trike campers are appearing at festivals, in tiny house villages, and across scenic Instagram feeds. They're sparking conversations about sustainability, creative living, and what it really means to have enough. Imagine waking up with a view of the mountains, brewing coffee in a compact kitchen, stepping outside barefoot to the sound of birds and not traffic. No rent. No alarm clock. Just the road, your Trike, and a camper that feels like an extension of your soul. Restoring or building one of these vintage gems can be a passion project. You'll find people spending months, sometimes years, lovingly restoring these micro-campers, repainting them in pastel shades, sewing custom curtains, and adding solar panels for off-grid power. And every screw they turn adds to a story they'll tell someday, parked by a lake, sharing campfire stories with strangers turned friends. So whether you're drawn to it for the charm, the freedom, or the practicality, one thing's certain: the vintage Trike camper is more than a machine.